Okay, I'm almost doing my homework, so after that I'll do the Minecraft video, just doing this in between. So I got this, press down click. I bought some hot glue sticks and this super glue. I'm not gonna use it since it irritates my skin. Might use it for something else. Indie project, I don't know. Okay, so how do I have this again? Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna glue this to this. Hold this up. I'm gonna do it. Oh wait.